Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can create or draw a polyline and using these polylines to create shapes in your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So let me create a completely new blank document for the sake of this tutorial. What you want to do is click into Insert here at the top, navigate to Line and select Polyline here just above this manual drawing here. So click Polyline, into Polyline, and now use your left mouse to set the starting point, hold your left mouse, release your left mouse to set the second point, and after that keep adding these points here with your left mouse, and so on and so forth, and close the shape by returning to the start point, and then Google Drawings will automatically convert this into a shape like this. So if I select the select tool, the shape will be editable like this. So you can edit it now, rotate it, change its color, fill color, border color, resize it, treat it like shapes you insert through the insert menu here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.